Wagwan KK squad, it's a girl Kurly Krissy. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. As you guys can see by the title, I'm coming back with another headband wig. Hopefully this headband wig is giving what it's supposed to give. I'm going to be doing a review on this headband wig from this company called Luvme Hair. It's affordable luxury wig. I've seen so many videos all over YouTube about this company, these wigs, but I've never tried it. So they reached out to me and they sent me this wig. We're gonna see what it's like. We're gonna see if these reviews are really what they say. So let's get right into the video. Anyways, can we talk about this packaging? How cute, like, it's so cute.
You can depend on me. Yes, you can.
This is how it came. Ooh. Guys, I'm gonna start getting excited now because I see a bunch of headbands. These are so cute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 headbands. Are we nasty? I'm gonna open it and show you the color. I'm wearing a color in the package. Great minds think alike. Here we have the wig in this cute drawstring bag. Yo, the package, I love how they package this. This cute bad, I'm not lie. Wait, we soon save the wig cute. Hold on, let me see what else comes in the box. The box here full. It says, enjoy your hair journey from now on. Helena, the founder of Luvme Hair. This is too cute. All the paper cute. Alright, so this is just like a paper. I appreciate the small things. All the paper cute. I'm done. I am so done. No wonder why people go crazy over this brand, because them too sweet, man. Look here. These are all the things that you guys will be getting inside your package. This is a little zip bag. It says Luvme Hair. All right, let's see what comes inside here. Edge brush for the edges, bobby pins, all the things that I need. That's why I'm excited. Wait, what is this?
We put your first and second and third, but your blessings comfort. Blessings comfort. Yes, it is a miracle if we make your thing shut and not end up.
Oh, it's a cute little scarf. So when you do your edges and stuff, you can use this to tie it down. Oh, this is like, you know, the headband fit to make the wig more sturdy on your head. You have this, which is nice, you know. They sent one of those little diamond clips, the ones that I get from Shein. They sent one that says love me, love me. So when I wear it in my hair, I'm telling people love me. Love me now. And last but not least, a tweezer. I don't know if I want to pluck something, because they have lace wigs too. They have a bunch of different wigs, so that tweezer can come in handy for any wig. And guys, if this wig is giving what it's supposed to give, and you know, it turn up, I'm gonna leave all information down in the description box for this company. Oh, let me see what else in the box. Oh, it's a wig cap. It's a brown wig cap. It says Luvme Hair. Yo, the company here come right out. They put their stuff together. And this is just a little booklet giving you information about the hair, like how to care for the wigs, refund and return, and how to contact them and everything. So before we look at the wig, I want to see the headbands. I'm excited. Because these days you already know your girl is into headband. Like I have a bunch of headband wig videos. Wow, these colors are pretty. Alright, so we have the yellow. We have gray or silver. It could be either. I'm gonna say gray. Pink, my favorite color. And brown, which it looks like a bronze type color. Bronze, you know. And this other color will miss everybody have outfit I wear now. You know that tie and that rainbow look? You see this one? You say pretty? Yeah, that's it. That's the one. So since I'm wearing the yellow, I'm gonna use the yellow headband for this video. I'll put this over my shoulder. So right, this is she. So let's look at the wig. This cute, but I'm not lie. The packaging. Alright, and I'm so happy it's a headband wig. Like, listen. But yeah, when pretty did I give it? The wig I get all like, look at this curl. This is the curl I wanted for my birthday, but as in a full lace wig. But this is beautiful and it smells like real human hair. So this is a 20-inch. It's color natural black, and I'll leave all information down below. Yeah, so we're gonna comb. Do I want to comb out the curls? What I can do is I can spray some water on it and like use my finger to comb it. So I don't want to use the actual comb. So this is a little leave-in conditioner that I have in this spray bottle. I'm just gonna spray a little bit on the hair. And I'm gonna just use my finger to comb through. Super soft. But yeah, this pretty, man. It's so soft, like my finger is just running through it, no tangle, nothing. I love it. Me? Nah, lie, this pretty bad. It came with a wig cap, but I like the weaving nets more, so I'm just gonna use. I have over 15 headband wigs. Yeah. Because I even have headband wigs that I haven't made any videos for. So I have a lot of these. By the way guys, all my other headband wig videos, I show how I prep my hair for headband wigs, how I braid it. I'll leave the link down below for all those videos. That's more detailed with how I braid my hair back for wigs and edges and everything. This video is just to show you the wig. The preparation, I have videos for those. It comes with the headband and the Velcro. It has combs at the sides, 2 combs, 1 comb at the top and 1 in the bottom. That's perfect. So let's go ahead and put this on.
We might share the same culture, but we are not the same. You don't even know my story.
So now I'm gonna stick the first comb in the side right here. Stick the other comb in the side. And the one in the top. And the one in the back. Now I'm gonna close the wig. This is well secured. Like, this is not going anywhere. And you guys know me talk the truth in my wig video them. If I don't like the wig, or the wig not give me no, give it what it's supposed to give, I'ma tell you guys. You know that. My KK squad, know, I'm not afraid to tell the truth. Let me put the headband on before I start to style the hair. This wig is giving what it's supposed to give. I don't even have to do too much to it. It's 100% human hair. It smells like them Brazilian hair. It does. And it's so pretty. I love it. It's so soft. Like, even before I put the leave-in, it's so soft. I love this. I don't even have to do too much. See that? Just run my finger through it and it got bigger. I love this. This is super cute. This is me right here. I didn't have to do much to this. This is what I've been waiting for. This is it. I ate this. Like, making me feel like a African queen, you know. And I'm pretty sure you could do different style with it, like put it up. Like you could put it up, I'm pretty sure, you know, just like wear it half up, half down. You could do like half up, half down, or put it all the way up in a bun. But I don't feel like I want to do all of that right now. Today's July 4th. I'm going outside, so I don't want to be doing too much right now, but I'm pretty sure I can come back with the same wig and show you guys different styles how to do, or different ways to wear this wig. But anyways, I'm gonna leave all information down below for this wig. I'm gonna leave the link for this wig. I'm gonna leave contact, like their Instagram, Facebook, every information I'm gonna leave down below for this wig if you guys want to try it out. Very affordable, and it worth it. Manala, it worth it. Like, where do you go and just get like a throw on and go wig like this? But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to hit that bell so you can be notified when I post videos. Also, please remember to like, share, subscribe, comment down below your thoughts, and stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.